Ever wondered how the future of manufacturing might look with the advancement of 3D printing technology? We live in an exciting era of technological leaps. One such leap is in manufacturing through 3D printing. This innovation enables creation of complex designs from home, defying previous limits. The latest revolution is continuous liquid interface production, or CLIP. Developed by Carbon 3D, CLIP is reshaping our understanding of 3D printing. To understand this futuristic technology, we need to delve into what CLIP really is. So, what exactly is this continuous liquid interface production, or CLIP? CLIP, a groundbreaking technique in 3D printing, was devised by Carbon 3D. The process intertwines the use of a fluid resin, controlled oxygen, and light projection. The resin hardens under specific light conditions, transforming from liquid to solid, facilitating the creation of intricate high-resolution objects. Oxygen assists in controlling the resin's hardening, ensuring a smooth transition from fluid to solid. This balance of an oxygen differentiates CLIP from other 3D printing methods, allows for continuous object creation, unlike traditional 3D printing's layer-by-layer approach. Consequently, complex structures can be produced quicker and with superior detail. Now, we understand what CLIP is. But what makes it stand out from other 3D printing technologies? Well, stick around. We're about to dive into that very topic. CLIP is not just another 3D printing technology. It has some unique features that set it apart from the rest. Most notably, its speed surpasses traditional 3D printing techniques like fused deposition modeling or stereolithography. Unlike these methods, which painstakingly construct objects layer by layer, CLIP operates continuously, making it up to 100 times quicker. Imagine the implications of such dramatically reduced production times. However, speed isn't its only strength. CLIP also excels in precision, achieving intricate high-resolution outcomes that conventional 3D printers can't match. It can print components with complex geometries and internal structures, all with remarkable detail. As for versatility, CLIP isn't limited to printing just plastic items. It can handle a wide array of materials, from polymers to ceramics to metals. This gives CLIP a broad appeal across multiple industries. For example, in healthcare, it can craft custom prosthetics and surgical instruments. In the automotive sector, CLIP could overhaul how car parts are produced, making them lighter and more efficient. By embracing the CLIP technology, we are looking at a future where manufacturing is faster, more efficient, and customizable to an extent we could only dream of. So, CLIP is not just another technology, it's a game changer. The future of manufacturing is here, embodied in CLIP. This technology, marrying liquid resin with light and oxygen, is reshaping 3D printing. It promises to overturn numerous industries, molding our Remember, it's not just creating objects, it's shaping the future with CLIP.